Yo.
No, that don't look straight. Another day, another dollar. There again. I think probably need a little bit more brightness for me. Yeah, man, my day again, you know. Get walk off today. Get walk off, cause yeah, man, I get walk off today, cause I don't want to play Russian roulette with my life. You know, everybody I say, yo, you're stupid, you have mouth for feed, just do the thing. But the thing is, only after you do the thing and take the thing, then you realize if you're allergic to the thing. Now that is a gamble where me not willing to take. Because whenever you take the thing, you can't untake the thing. It come in like life. You can't unexpose yourself to something in a life after you've been exposed. Some people in a rare occasions can. Now in that case, yeah, your body don't have a zip or anything where you can just go back in and take out what you put in. You know, it's not a malleable piece of something or a tangible piece of something that you can just, you know, remove like a piece of metal. So it's not a chance that I am willing to take right now, because what am I doing it for? To keep a job that even though I might please them today, they might change their mind tomorrow and I am unemployed again. Now, would that satisfy whatever I did just to please them so I can work? The thing is, if you make a demand like that of me today and you feel like you need to change the ball game tomorrow, what is it that you're going to demand tomorrow for me to continue working or continue being employed to you? You see, the big thing for me is, you know, if you can mandate something and I need it to work, then tomorrow you're going to try something else, because the thing from 48 laws of power teachers say, you know, ultimate power corrupt, and that means, you know, anything goes as long as you can make money off it or you can rule and have dominion over people. So there's no boundaries to which you will stop until somebody says stop. That's how, you know, that's how this thing goes. It wasn't worth it for me. And I've known people who have been injured, you know, and after the injury, them realize what I was saying, that, you know, you just never know how you're going to react to it until it goes into your body, you know. And some people do it because they feel like they don't have a choice. I understand that, you know, but if you feel like you have a choice, then hold off. Hold off. Don't be too hasty, because fear may could do a lot of things sometimes where are necessary. You see me? But in a times like this, you can't make fear override it, you know. You have to use your logical and your common sense. You see me? Because enough things we do through fear and then regret it. You see it? So, as I say, just an idle thinking out loud. Nah, stop anybody from, you know, make their choices. You know, just my opinion. Not facts, no scientific, whatever. Just a simple opinion, you know. No, I have nothing against nobody, no try to discriminate against nobody. Just tell you from my point of view and where I stand, you know. I'll think out.